Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix stickers, emojis or avatars not working. First of all, try to restart your messenger, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it away. After that, go ahead and update the app by opening your app store and then search for messenger and then make sure you have updated your app to the latest version. Next, go ahead and enable use iPhone emoji if needed. Then reinstall sticker packs. Safety tip: do not download sticker packs from unknown sites. Quick fix: log out and then log in to reload packs, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and subscribe for more fixes. Thank you.